guys, it's Kira here. Welcome back to the Subtl YouTube channel. Today we're gonna do a holiday makeup look using my Subtl stack, and it is inspired by this quick little TikTok video that I saw. I'll pop it up while I'm talking, but it's super beautiful and I loved the eyeshadow tones and I thought it would be perfect for the Flight eyeshadow duo. I think it's really nice to have just like a signature holiday makeup look. So without further ado, let's dive in. Real quick, I wanted to show you guys the 4-piece brush set. If you have not picked this up yet, it's new. It is so good. I've loved every 4-piece brush set Subtl has put out and they just keep getting better and better. Like literally, I'm obsessed with every single brush in this set. Okay, so I did start with a foundation as my base. I used the NARS Light Reflecting Foundation. So I'm just gonna go in with my concealer in the shade 4N. I am running low. I have some new ones coming. Just kind of add it to my under eyes. And especially when we're doing a holiday look, I do like to have like a full foundation base, even though it's a lighter one. And then I just go in and cover up any redness. And I still just really like using my fingers. But if you're not a finger person, this new stippling brush in the 4-piece brush set also works really well. Next, I'm gonna go in with the bronzing balm. Now, I've been kind of teetering between the shades Caramel and Biscotti, especially because it's winter. My concealer shade is usually a 4N. But what I've been liking about Biscotti is that if you're my same coloring, it's like a little bit more cool toned. And so I've been kind of using this to contour, and then sometimes I'll use Caramel to add back in more color. And I go ahead and use the stippling brush, get a lot on there. Really just use this to add warmth and then also to like carve out the face. I did a very similar look recently when I got some family photos done as well for our holiday cards. Just look at how good this applies with the stippling brush. Like, I'm obsessed. And I add some up in the forehead, frame whole face. And if you're kind of a beginner with makeup and you're doing like bronzer or contour, the rule of thumb is to make a 3. So you want to go in this shape, like you're making a giant 3. Okay, so there's the Biscotti. It's just kind of like carving out the face a little bit. Do some on the chin as well. And then now I'm gonna go in with the shade Caramel, which is 1 shade darker, and just add a little bit on top. And I've been going a lot higher than you would think lately, especially because I'm gonna use the Nothing But Nectar Lip and Cheek, and it just kind of all blends together at the end. Okay, and then I am gonna use Biscotti on my nose. I've been kind of just liking using my finger lately. I just kind of go on the sides and then there in the middle. Okay, I almost forgot a lip balm, so I'm gonna apply Spiced Cranberry. And this is actually slightly tinted, which is so fun. And it smells so good. Highly recommend, especially in the winter whenever you're doing a makeup look, to apply some lip balm as the first step. It's actually very pretty. This is my first time trying it. Like, I love that tint is actually really tinted. I love it. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with the new Nothing But Nectar Lip and Cheek. This has quickly become my new favorite lip and cheek. This is right up there for me with Mauve in the Maldives. It's just so beautiful. And what I love about this is that I can just use the stippling brush and go right into it. Like, I don't even really need to get the product off because I've just been kind of blending everything all together. Get some of this on the brush and then just slowly start working it in. Look how beautiful that just all blends together. And I'll kind of just like use the edge of the brush so that it's a different area. But again, it just all blends together and it really helps warm up the face, especially in the winter. Even bring it up on the forehead. And then I'll put a little bit on the tip of the nose. Like, I just really have been perfecting my makeup base lately and I love it. But I know what you're thinking, Kira, you look really shiny. Not to worry, that's where the BB powder comes in. Subtl has just been killing it with these launches lately. And this new brush, I love. It's very dense, but it's also angled, and this is what I've been using for the BB powder. And I actually have 2 different shades here. One is Fair 2N, and this I've been liking for kind of brightening in like this area. So I'll go in with this first, get a good amount on there, and just kind of do little taps. Oh, look at the difference. Look how shiny and like disjointed this is, and then how this just like brings everything together. Then I'll take it up on the eyelids as well, and then I'll do a little bit on the chin. Now, I have not worn powder in years, but this BB powder has really done it for me and just really helps set everything. It helps my makeup last longer. And I just love that this is like hydrating and not cakey. This BB powder is the shade Light 2W. So again, this first one I used was 2N, Fair 2N, Light 2W. I've been liking this because it really it's quite a bit darker and it really just warms up the face when I feel so pale in the winter. So it's is this my true color? No, but it helps me look less pale and it kind of works. So I don't go over everything I just did with the bronzer, but I kind of go in other areas all around. I'm taking it down my neck too. Yes, I will even go on my ears, and look how flawless I love. When you apply the powder, it takes away some of the color. So I am gonna go back in with the lip and cheek and add a little bit more. And if this side of my face looks more shiny, it's just the lighting. Okay, I am gonna use a little tape. I like to apply it to my skin a few times so it doesn't pull all my makeup off. And then you really wanna get it at an angle. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and use this brush. And the reason I chose this tutorial is because she just made it look so easy. So we're gonna go ahead and see if it's really that easy. So she starts with the matte shade on the outside. And again, this is the eyeshadow duo in Flight. So she starts like that on the outside. And then she takes the shimmer in the middle. Guys, I don't know how this is gonna turn out. Okay, and then I'm gonna use the dry brush cleaner to get this off. Okay, and then for the inside, I'm gonna go ahead and use the Gin Fizz highlighter because this is just sparkly and light, and she kind of just applies it to the rest of the lid. Okay, this is a trust the process kind of moment. Now we're gonna blend in. I'm gonna blend this way with the corners. Okay, that was pretty, but it kind of took away some of the product. So I'm gonna go ahead and add some more shimmer, blend it all together. But yeah, this is nice because we're kind of going for an icy winter eye look. Now we're gonna go in with a winged black liner. And I'm just kind of using the tape as a guide. Okay, moment of truth. Ooh, she is sharp. Okay, we definitely gotta clean up the under eyes, but I feel like this actually looks pretty good on the eyes. Okay, now let me just touch up my concealer since tape took some off. And gonna touch up the BB powder too. I'm also gonna go in with a little bit of the Apricot Avenue powder blush because this just literally makes every look better. Now it's time to apply some mascara. Okay, now that the eyes are wrapped up, I'm gonna go in with this little handy lip brush and the lip and cheek shade Bordeaux on the Go. First, I'm gonna kind of use this to do a lip liner and then I'm gonna fill it in. I love how easy this little brush is to work with. And I'm gonna go over it with the lip balm, so that's why I'm kind of leaving the middle not colored in. And then I'm gonna fill it in with the Spice Cranberry Lip Balm. And this is the perfect holiday lip. It kind of matches my nails. I love it because it's also so hydrating. This is literally just a lip balm. And let me tell you, this lip balm smells so good. All right, and there you have the final holiday makeup look. Are you kidding? I love how this turned out and I just smell so good. This Spice Cranberry Lip Balm is kind of making my day and boosting my mood. So life hack. And the best part, if you're going to a party, all you have to do is put your stack in this little purse charm, clip it onto your purse, such a conversation starter, and you can easily touch up in the bathroom. Thank you so much for watching. Comment down below. Let me know what your favorite holiday combo is that you're using in your Subtl stack lately. And we will see you guys next time. Bye.